Travels at EBM, and today I'm doing basic vinaigrette, balsamic vinaigrette, and green garden salad. Vinaigrette, pour in some white vinegar, not too much. Vinegar, pour in some apple cider vinegar, not too much. And some soy sauce. Add in Dijon mustard in both of the vinaigrettes. So first in the balsamic and in the basic vinaigrette, and begin to mix like this. Add in some thyme in both of the vinaigrettes, some thyme leaves in the balsamic and in the basic vinaigrette. Rosemary leaves in the balsamic and basic vinaigrette. And some olive oil in both vinaigrettes and start mixing slowly. Like this. And here we have basic vinaigrette and balsamic vinaigrette. We have the the basic vinaigrette and the balsamic vinaigrette, which is ready for any salad. Fill a bowl of water with lettuce and take out the lettuce leaves like this. Could be cold water, could be hot water, but I use hot water for this. So just a few and let it sit right there. Carefully with your hands, move the lettuce and make sure all the particles and all the pathogens like E. coli and everything gets taken out like this. Lettuce into the cutting board, which you'll just see in a few minutes. Now it's ready for the garden salad. You take the lettuce and you roll it up and just cut them into chevron like this and put it in and continue. So it'll be something like this. This into julienne like this and put it in. The tomato into chunks, so just cut into half and then cut that into cubes like this. Cucumber, first cut it in half, then take out the plastic that is like this. And now get ready to cut this. Just cut into circles and just put them in like this. The onion, so cut the end and split it into half. Remove the skin like this. And remove the tip. And now just dice them. So this is large dice. Take the rosemary leaves and just add them into the garden salad. Take a thyme leaf and add in the thyme in there. Mix the garden salad with a fork. And so here's the garden salad. It is now ready to be served. And I have balsamic vinaigrette and I have the basic vinaigrette. So thank you for watching Hunyah Travels at EBM. Balsamic vinaigrette, basic vinaigrette, and a garden salad recipe video. Watch Hunyah Travels and watch and subscribe to Hunyah Travels. Thank you.